Yes, my Amazon order just arrived.
Yeah, buddy.
So today's video, folks, is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be unboxing and testing out the new
Philips Norelco Multi-Grooming Shaver.
Not sponsored by Philips. However, Philips, if you do see this video, hit me up. I'm always open for a brand deal, you feel me? I mean, come on now, you know, humble gotta make those ends fills. I am providing an affiliate link below. If you do decide to purchase this, use my affiliate links in the description below. I do get a small commission for you using my link. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the love, thanks for the support. It will help me a lot. Plus, I will be able to make more awesome videos for you guys. No, but for real. Thank you, Amazon Prime. Bam! Bam! The Philips Norelco Premium All-in-One Trimmer. This is a 23-piece multi-grooming kit. It's got a full-size trimmer, detailed shaver, precision trimmer, extra wide hair trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, 3 beard guards, 2 stubble guards, 2 body guards, 6 head guards, and an eyebrow guard. You could literally shave your entire body hair. We're gonna be shaving off my beard.
All around me are familiar faces.
No, but for real, the quarantine is like the first time I've ever rocked a beard. I just wanted to see how long I can grow my beard out. But now I'm shooting for like the stubble look. So I'm not gonna make it skin, but I'm gonna do maybe like a 1 or a 2. I'm gonna be shaping my beard.
Give it a nice clean look.
Like a 2 all the way around. Grew up my beard. As you can see, never rocked a beard before. I've always shaved it off completely. But then Katie told me that I would look good with a beard. She finds it a turn on. Beards are like really attractive. That's why I grew my beard out.
Around me are...
Hell no! No, that's not the reason why I grew my beard out, folks. No. But, I mean, Katie, you're gonna see me with rocking my beard and, you know, I mean... You know, don't get too excited, you know. Oh, come on now, you know. Church! No, I was playing.
Bye-bye, beard!
I mean, it's still gonna be there. I'm just gonna trim it. I'm not gonna make it skin. Maybe like a 1 or a 2 all the way around. I'm gonna be using this Philips Norelco All-in-One Multi-Groomer. It has a 5-hour runtime. You know how most clippers and shavers, you have to put oil on it to maintain it? You gotta put on the blades so it doesn't get all rusty and messed up. No oil is required. This, you can fully wash it in the sink. 23 pieces for the nose hair, ear hair, eyebrows, mustache, beard. Do lineups if you want to be precise and go like around here. It's got a blade for that too. And it's got clippers for your head. Oh, let's check it out, folks. Best seller on Amazon right now. Finally cut my hair. It's been months. I literally haven't cut my hair in 2 months. I just wanted to see how long I can grow my beard out for. Apparently it's 2 months. I'm just gonna trim it. But buddy, bro, you don't like me, bro. You don't like me. Why? Why, buddy? Why? Why you gonna say? You want to lose me? You don't like me, buddy. You're trying to get rid of me, buddy. Why? Why, buddy? Why? Why? You don't like me, bro. Bro, why you getting rid of me, bro? Why you want to get rid? Ahmed, it's not that. It's just, I don't rock beards, man. Beards is not really my swag. You feel me? Like, We'll let my social media. I'm gonna do a poll. Ladies, shave or no shave? What do you think, ladies? You think I should shave it or not shave it? So please, leave a comment below if you think I should shave or I should not. By the time I post this video, I would have made my decision already. But bro, why you want to get rid of this beard, bro? You don't like this beard? Come on, buddy. Buddy, I thought we were buddies. I thought we were good friends, buddy. Why you want to get rid of me, buddy? You leave beard. Leave the beard. It looks good. Very, very good. I like it. Looks very perfect on you, bro. Very perfect. Sorry, Ahmed, but I had to shave it, alright? So we got the AC adapter it comes with. It's got 23 different pieces, the hair guards, the beard stubble guards. There's a lot of pieces on this. Comes with a pouch, the whole kit. Little rubber piece right there. Oh, that's cool. It's nice and lightweight. You can feel the quality, like it's heavy duty. It's still lightweight. Philips Norelco. I love it. To take it out, at first I thought I broke it, but no, it literally just comes right off. Just like that. You can rinse this off. Running tap water. It's fine. I'm gonna use the nose hair cutter. I got nose hairs sticking out like crazy. And it's very noticeable in my pictures. Just like that. Precision shaver. $2mm cleaner. Alright, we good. Let me just go to the shower real quick. And I'm about to do a photo shoot right now. Gotta update my social media photos. You dig? How do I look, folks? That line up. Get that line up. Damn, I'm sexy as fuck. Damn! I knew I was cute. But I mean, damn!
I feel pretty, oh so pretty. I feel pretty and witty and yay!
Ooh, look how swagged out that looks. Mohawk is gone, yo. No more Mohawk. Bye bye Mohawk. I've been rocking that Mohawk for over 8 years already. It's time for a new look, time for a change. You feel me? It's time to do something new. I'm just gonna keep it clean right now. I did grow out my beard, you know. No more of that douchey, pencil thin sideburn and beard and the pencil thin goatee. And I didn't have a mustache, but now I grew it all out. I lined it up right there, you see it? I lined it up. I trimmed my mustache, so I got the little line right there. I trimmed it around here, keeping the soul patch. I kept the goatee. I shaved everything here at 2, the number 2 clipper guard. So I left the goatee and I left the soul patch. Around the mouth and my mustache is a number 2 as well. The number 2 around here. The Philips Norelco all-in-one multi-groom kit. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I used it all. Clippers for the beard, the clippers for the sideburns, shaved my nose hair, the precision trimmer. I was able to trim around here and around here. The precision shaver, so all the extra hair around here, I was able to make it skin. Switch to the wide blade for my hair, and I switched it back to the smaller blade to get my facial hair. And I used the precision shaver to get any excess hair that was around. Boom, I did the lineup myself, yo. That was all me right there, it was all me. Philips Norelco, awesome product. I would definitely recommend it to all my family and friends. So everybody that's watching, fellas and ladies, you can use it too. Believe me, I know a lot of you women, there's some pretty hairy women out there who need to shave. So, and when I say you can shave all body hair, I mean that. Yes, including there. It works. It's a very good shaver. Philips Norelco, Thank you, I appreciate it. Definitely an awesome product. If you haven't gotten your own yet, check out the link below. I got a link to the product. And if you're an Amazon Prime user, I got mine the same day. Ship it right away, free shipping, can't go wrong with that. What I love the most about it, you just rinse it in running tap water. Most clippers, you have to put the mineral oil on the blade. This one you don't. No mineral oil is required. And it comes with a pouch. Good for traveling as well. I love it. Thank you, Philips. Awesome product. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Smash it, come on. There you go, thank you, yo, appreciate it. Hit the bell, turn that post notification on, share the video, leave a comment. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Living in your messages.